Hi, it's Herb. Um, there's a little misconception here that you can't use FoxPro Code to build your web app, and I just want to create a little demo here to explain exactly how to do that. Um, all right, so first we're going to create a new app. We're going to call it VFP Web Demo. Now we're going to select JavaScript. Even though we're going to be coding in FoxPro, you need to have JavaScript pages because that's where it's going to be in the browser. But don't worry, we're not actually coding in JavaScript. And we'll click South window, though I'm not sure I'm going to actually pull in anything from there. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to put a canvas section. And a couple things I'd like to change right off the bat. I'm going to stretch the last section so I get a full page. And you know what? One of the things I also want to do is I want to allow guest access, so I don't have to log in every time as I am trying this out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put in 3 text boxes. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to create a little calculator is what we're going to do. And I'm going to put a command button to call our code. All right, let's line these up a little bit. I'm going to do a line on the left sides. All right, very simple. I'm going to call it text1. Call it text2. That's about as creative as I can get. And we'll put the results into text3. Oops. All right. Now with this guy here, we'll call it calc. And we'll just change that to calculate. All right. We'll save that. We'll take a quick look out, see how it looks. We can deploy it. We can preview it. Now we're going to see it in our web browser. Oh, I did not want that to happen. Let me see if I check that. Oh, I didn't deploy it. All right. So now let's write our little VFP proc. Okay, we're going to call it server side code.prg. We're going to pass in 2 parameters, val1 and val2, and all we're going to do is we're going to return val1 plus val2. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And we can actually test it out in the app inspector, right? By using the leonja.evaluate. And that was called server side code 1, 2. We'll look at the console there. Oh, doesn't like what I wrote. Evaluate server side code. Okay, and that's 3. And let's just test this. All right. Actually, let's just do this. Let's just do actually. There we go. So sorry about that. What I did was just want to test out that code in JavaScript. If you'll see over here, we passed in 1, 3, do it again, and we'll get into that. Boom. Okay. Let's put this whole thing in our code. So let's go back here. We know that that works. We'll go to our calculate. We'll go to click. And let's do this. Let's say instead of here, we're going to have to actually put in our text1.value plus, oh, wrong side of the plus. And over here, we'll put in our text2.value. Okay, so let's have a quick look there. Let's put in 5, 6 equals 11. Let's go ahead and have a look at that. 4, 7, 11. Let's deploy it. Now let's bring it up in our web browser. I'll have to go back and check because I want to do this without logging in, but that's okay. vfpwebdemo. And here we are in our web browser. Put in 4 plus 5, calculate 9. See, the point there was we didn't write that code in JavaScript. We wrote that code in VFP. It was able to come back to the browser, put in our result because we used leonge.evaluate. So using leonge.evaluate will allow you to write any procedure you want, any function you want in Visual FoxPro, do all your calculations, do all your business logic, and then you return the result set right back in very simple syntax. All right, I hope that helps.